I'm so excited. It's like a safari. It's gonna attack us.
Oh, there he is. He's right here on this handlebars of this orange bike, the second bike. He's not, he is. He's somebody's bird.
He's cute. Let's keep him.
Huh.
Do we have anything to catch him with?
Butterfly net out by the...
Can I keep him? Do we have a cage?
I don't know if we have a cage that we could put him in.
Think Shelly might?
I don't know if he's that kind of a bird that you can keep him.
How would he be here if not?
I don't know.
He wouldn't.
I don't know.
This isn't a place where these birds spawn.
He looks to me like he's a very colorful bird, but...
What's on you, little buddy? What you got there?
He's still there?
He started screeching and he switched handlebars to mine.
I don't know anybody that has a parakeet. I just can't imagine. And how would it end up here?
And up my fingers. Come on, come home. Come to mi casa.
Probably want a cracker. Probably want a cracker.
He'll screech when he flies.
What if he attacks?
Oh, I got the light on. Oh no, I don't. I thought it is.
He's definitely somebody's pet.
Let's keep him. Close the garage. Let's keep him.
Well, Derek, I don't want to kill him with a net. How are you going to save him?
Let's put food in a bird. Let's get a bird cage and put food in it, and he'll go in there. Then we'll close the bird cage.
Bird cage. Okay.
Well, you can walk past. We'll close the garage door.
Okay.
So he's in here, and then we'll get a bird cage from Shelly.
I'm trying to think. Shelly probably does have one.
Okay, then close the door. It's true. Close it.